Okay.
Or like this, look.
I've been on the road, I see you shorty, I see your growth. Come on, look at you, I see your glow. Got your lashes done and you clean your toes. I know what I said, but I fiend for more. I hope I make you smile when you hear my poem. Getting drunk calls from me, you don't like how I poet.
What it do, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It's a day in the life of Nini living. I am Nini and we are living. Today we are in the semi with my husband. What did you just do?
See?
Yeah. What the heck? That low-key startled me, I'm not gonna lie. I'm like, no, because I seen you moving it. I seen you moving something, and then I'm like, what the heck? But we are in the semi. This is gonna be a semi vlog. I actually have to put the groceries away. So that's what I'm about to do. This is our bed. Let me show you guys. So this is the bed that me and Dalion sleep in. But it gets converted into a picnic table. I'll show you guys how. Yes. I forgot to grab some frozen chicken from home to make snack wraps. And the lettuce. So, luckily I cooked last night, so that's what we're going to be eating for the most part. I bought Tez this packet of protein shakes so he could drink one every morning. Still here. And I don't like vanilla. He likes vanilla. I love chocolate, so. For parfait, strawberries. Oh, you made it! Wow! Bye, Daddy. You driving, Dalion? Dalion! Bro, chill.
You almost fell on my truck.
Yes.
Bink. That would have been a hard fall. You know I wouldn't have let that happen.
Yeah, I don't know.
I would have swung it open like this.
Okay.
Or like this, look. Which one better?
I think the first one.
Give me a hug.
He's so serious.
How's it smell in here?
Like, don't really smell like nothing. I'm going to finish putting the food up, and I believe we're going to go on a walk before we start moving around in the truck. But we usually put our snacks up here, but I see Tez has his paperwork right there. Where do you want me to put your paperwork?
Dang, why get that? Where you want me to put your paperwork? But they get the Tez just put his paperwork right here. I know y'all know this there too.
let me figure.
Like that though, man. Why get the where you want me to put your paperwork?
Cause you know better. Let me figure out what I'm gonna do, y'all. Oh my gosh, I almost just fell. Trying to do this quick video. Trickles food. Y'all, it's like the bed knew I was recording because it was being more stubborn today than normal.
I got that juice from somebody's house, baby. Give me a kiss. I love you. I love Don't look at me. Babe, no, for real, why did I get that though? Why did I get the paperwork? Look, man, look.
Here is our bed.
Chill, bro. Can't get none of that, bro. It's only one straw, and that's for me.
Big back and greedy.
And I'm guessing he's greedy.
No, you both.
Ah, what?
My daddy. What are you doing? I didn't charge my camera.
Baby, I got a charger right here for you.
This is our garbage bag. This is how we maneuver in here to try to keep it clean. And this is big. It's long because I'm laying down.
Hey.
All the way extended and still can't.
Man, he just trying to sneak him a sit.
And it's like my head is not all the way there. So it is long. These are my buttons to control my temperature back here. And if I want it like high at 4, you hear that? Or if I want them more on the cool side, like on the calm side. But during Tez likes us laying on this side so he could see us. But when it's time to watch TV, we move everything over to this side right here so we can watch TV.
Go!
What are you doing, Dada?
Go!
Why are you always missing one shoe? No. Hey! I'll bring y'all back. This is our closet. We put our stuff in. I keep DeLeon's bag out because, you know, babies, you always need something on hand. My laptop, I have to edit some videos later. But I just put it in there. Let me fix it because once we get to moving, it will fall. My bag and Tez's bag in there. Yes, my love. Oh my gosh, what are you doing?
He gets straight to it. Don't he, babe?
Y'all.
Babe, he know how to find it, don't he?
He popped that fish on. So we are chilling. I am editing a video for you guys. And no, Dada. My son is just here trying to help instead of watching his stretch. His dad is really loud talking to one of his drivers right now. I actually finished. Baby, stop it. I actually finished editing the video and was don't do that. No biting. No. That's me. Okay, that's me. No. Stop it. I gotta deal with my son. He wants to start biting and he's angry at me. I think he's hungry, but he doesn't want to show me his signs that he wants leche. Anyways, I finished editing the video and I was ready to upload it on YouTube, and I realized I forgot something. So I have to, oh shoot, I just closed the laptop. So I have to wait for it to load again or save it to upload it. That's a quick little update.
It's gonna add to your hour.
Stop it, please.
Let's just say one of those
No,
days,
that's not funny.
5 hours. Let's just say recycling. It's not as zero.
He's beating me up.
On that day, it's gonna add it to that. back to make it 11 or whatever.
Yeah.
You know what I mean, Jay? Yeah. So like, I've done it. Dale Leon. She working, double time, right, babe? Editing, mother. Editing, mother. Editing, mother. Mother, editing. How you put it all right here?
So we are about to get a truck wash. I actually have to use the bathroom really bad, so I'm about to get out and use their bathrooms. They do not let us record, but I am going to try to break the rules for you guys to show you a little bit of what goes on. Are you gonna get the full deal or no?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so he's gonna get the full thing. I'll show you guys before and after of how it looks. Let me get out really quick, babe, so I can make my way to the bathroom and show the truck.
Okay, let me move first.
Okay.
Who is this person?
No, my son does not typically
this girl
sit
went
there.
and took a shower. Did she?
She went in to take a shower because they were taking forever.
She with the guy in the box truck?
Probably. We're in line waiting. That's why my son's there.
Oh, she is, babe.
He does not no. That's me. No, y'all know what I'm trying to say.
What, baby?
My son.
Go ahead, baby.
My son was driving.
Get in the back. Get in the back.
There goes Draco. Before, I think Tez is gonna get the wheels. So let's look at the wheels. He's calling me, y'all.
Try to hurry, baby, and use the restroom before we get in there. Because when I get out, I don't want him to get out too, baby.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
What?
Like, I want to get out and go.
Hey, no.
What? You just
Biting up, yeah.
Because I got to go in and pay.
Okay. Is the bathrooms on the right or the left side?
So when you go in,
I'm gonna try to hurry up, y'all.
I don't remember, babe. I don't know.
I feel like I need a snack. So cool. So we are waiting on Tess to pull up. Right now this truck is getting washed. And they're almost done because they're opening the bay. He's talking to his grandma right now. This is POV from the inside of the truck. Whoa! Yay! It is so strong, sometimes the water comes in from the window. Look, just like right now. Draco tries to bite it. Draco trying to bite the water. But we're about to talk to Grandma and see what she wants to talk about. Okay, that's my thumbnail. Here comes Tez. He got it washed. He's about to pick me up. he's leaving me. He is leaving me. I gotta run. Okay, we made it back. They do not dry it, they just wash it. They were not able to do the wheels because after a certain hour they stopped doing that. But here she is. She's clean. Big blue. What's that? Oh. That's the end of that car wash, or truck wash, I shall say. Go ahead and tell the camera then.
Oh man.
I told you all I was bringing y'all back to see how it's like making food in the truck, but I'm not making food today. I'm just warming up our leftovers. This is pasta and our bread. De Leon is sleeping. He takes up the whole bed, apparently. Apparently it's his. So here's Tez's bowl and here's my bowl. And we're just going to eat. Good morning, y'all. This morning we're having parfaits. It's good, babe? De Leon is very liking his. I don't know if he ate most of it or if he just put it on the bed. Bring it closer to you, baby, so you don't have to keep doing that. Yeah. When we come, from now on, I feel like we have to bring extra sheets because... No, this one's mine. Thank you. That one's yours. Yep. We are outside. Oh, bye-bye, Daddy. We are outside. Bye-bye. Tez has to back up into this door right there. It's gonna be hard because he always talks about how it's hard backing in to decks that have roof. Or like, yeah, I guess like a roof. He's pulling up right now, positioning himself to do that. You gotta go really slow. This is the actual pace that he's doing it at, and he's so cold with it. I cannot get in. boy. We just pulled up to a warehouse, company's warehouse. They have to take the stuff that we just picked up out and rearrange it. So I'm about to show you guys inside. We don't always do this. So once in a while, it's LTL when he has multiple drops or pickups or drops. I am about to go into the office and use their bathroom. So what they're doing is they're removing the stuff from Tez's trailer. Oh, I can't move my hair. They're removing the stuff from Tez's trailer into a different trailer. Actually, this one right here. Yeah, but that's gonna take a while. So we are just going to walk outside. I have to bring Draco out to go use the bathroom. This semi is following me. This semi is following me. Like I said earlier, they're moving the stuff from one trailer to another. So what Tez is doing now, he's backing up to the other trailer that they're moving the stuff into. Oh, he ran away. He ran away. I got you. What? Come get your son then. He wants to go up these stairs so bad. Okay, you got it, Dada. Go ahead. Whoa. You got it. Up, you took your shoe off. We gotta go with Daddy. Come on. A box truck just pulled up. Draco. Come on, let's go. We are walking inside the warehouse again. I'm gonna show you guys, I guess the process of taking the stuff out of a trailer and putting it in another one.
You want me to record you?
Not really.
All right, baby, let's go show them the task that we have to do. Wait, let me put Draco back. Draco, come on. We'll come back for you, come on. Let's go. We'll come back for you. Come on. We're coming back for you.
He's sad.
He is.
Go ahead.
Ooh. Let's see. Jason, my wife's a YouTuber. Oh, really? Yeah. So we basically had to switch all this. Well, want me to just tell them? Okay. I'm Nene today. Nene living
And I'm living.
So we have to switch all of this into another trailer. This is 29 pallets, well, 26. We're turning them all sideways, so they look like that from the side instead of like this. And you can fit 30 when they look like that. So we're switching them all to one trailer, so it's just easier instead of taking all this out and then putting it back on. We had 5 more skids right here too, different freight, different place, but
Are you trying to?
we just end up.
Recording around?
No, there's no pellets here. I'm saying we had 5 pellets. Huh?
Then flip it on you if you're talking.
Oh, let me see. They ain't seen me in a minute. Hey, this is your first time coming to my house. Hey. She tired, y'all. He wanna go with that.
He wants to go outside.
All right, come on, let's go outside. We showed him. But yeah, whole lot of nothing. So we had to put, we're gonna fit, we actually stacked one right here. So we end up fitting 31 skids in there. All sideways. But yeah. Nene probably gonna edit me out. She don't want everyone to hear me yapping. Yep, I can see. Yeah, she is. But she gonna do all of that and she got my name on her. Man, get out of here, bro. Get out of here. I bet run. Run. He don't understand. Come on, Dada. Slow down, slow down. With your cookie monsters. He don't want nobody following him, especially not getting in front of him. Right, love?
He's gonna go up the stairs.
But Nene's gonna go ahead and
In this video.
Not really much to see today. She's gonna drive. She might show y'all some B-roll of the road. But other than that, I'm pretty sure it ain't really much to see today, right, babe?
Yep, so that's the end of this video. After this, we're going home. So it's the same ride home. We just ate. I don't know if I'll cook something. I'll probably make something quick.
Ooh, she clean, babe.
She's clean. She just got a car wash. Y'all saw that. Or a truck wash. Truck wash. My bad. Draco's like, okay, are you guys coming to get me? I'll get him. Yeah. But y'all know what to do. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what your favorite part about the video down below. Thank you again for watching, staying tuned, watching the whole video, and just supporting me. But as always, love y'all.
I see you, shorty, I see your growth. Come on, look at you, I see your glow. Got your lashes done and you clean your toes. I know what I said, but I fiend for more. I hope I'm